In this chapter, we're going to run our very first workflow in ComfyUI. We'll load a pre-built template and generate an image. Right now, the canvas is empty. We could build a workflow from scratch, but let's start with something ready-made so you can get your first taste of Comfy. On the left sidebar, open the Templates tab. For the first run, we're going to use an image generation workflow. Here, we're selecting Z-Image Turbo. This particular workflow is built around a model that generates images quickly, so you won't be waiting long to see results, which is nice for a first experience. Click on it and the workflow will load onto your canvas. Now, if you want to load a different image generation workflow or a newer model, feel free to do that as well. You'll see a set of nodes appear already connected together. Take a look at the nodes on your canvas. You'll notice a few things you can adjust before running the workflow. The prompt, this is a text field where you describe what you want to generate. The template comes with a default prompt already filled in, and you're welcome to use it for this first run. But you can also type in anything you want, a scene, a character, an object, a landscape, and the model will try to create dimensions. This controls the width and height of your output image in pixels. There are other parameters you can experiment with as well. For now, don't worry about getting everything perfect. Just set a prompt you're curious about and leave the rest at their defaults. Click the Run button in the top bar. You'll see activity on the nodes as ComfyUI processes each step. The data flows through the workflow, just like we described earlier, from the text encoder through the generation model, through the VAE, and finally to the output. After a short wait, your first image will appear, and that's it. You've just run your first workflow in ComfyUI. From an empty canvas to a generated image, the process is always the same. Load a workflow, make sure you have the right models installed, adjust your settings, and hit run. Everything we do from here builds on this foundation.